All right, guys. So I just built a sourcing agent in literally 2 minutes. What this can accomplish is it will scan TikTok shops and find you the highest CTR rates and an arbitrage opportunity. So you can just literally find the things that are selling on TikTok and go for it yourself. Check it out. All right, so I'm about to get my agent running here to scan TikTok. And let's see what it does. All right, so we're running the agent orchestrator. It's a shop scanner that I just basically put a text file and gave it some commands. And it's going to do exactly what I just said. Here it goes. It's reading the text document. The agent's working right now, and it's going to scan all the TikTok shops with the highest CTR rates. Boom. Here it goes. So TikTok Creative Center for top products with CTR greater than 1.5%. Filter products with high sales velocity and fewer than 50 active shops. And it's searching all of these products right now. TikTok shop top products, ITR, CTR 2026 viral and trending products too. So basically everything. And then what it'll do is it'll send it to a database file, and you get all the products. So you can just go and try to go and source those things yourself. And eventually, what I'll have it do is I'll have it automatically. And once I test a few of these products out and I start actively selling them, I'll then have that completely automated too. So it'll automatically replenish, it'll automatically reach out to supplier, automatically sell, and I'll just have the whole thing automated, guys. If you guys like this content, you guys know what to do. Make sure you smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button and take the notification bell. We'll catch you guys in the next video.